Hello everybody and welcome back to another video, and in this one we are going to be talking about how you can get Roshade on Roblox. So if you are not well aware about Roshade, is it basically a shader pack for Roblox that you can download for free. And yeah, so let's just get started. So the first step is going to be obviously head over to a browser of your choice and then simply type in here Roshade download. And once you type in here that, you can see we have this Roshade download opening in here. So simply head over to this particular website, click on Roshade, download Roshade, and here you can see we have two variants for this. The first one is the paid version and the second one is the free version. The free version have pretty much everything, so I just would recommend to go for this one, but if you want to spend some money on this, you can obviously go for that as well. Click on download, and you can see we have this option of by pressing download you agree to watch this 6-second ad and accept our terms and conditions. So click on download and an ad will be running. So here, as you can see on the top right side of our screen, it is saying please wait a few seconds, and after a couple of seconds click on skip and it will be directed towards a link to download, or you can see in my case I have this direct download option available in here. Click on start download and now it is downloaded, so I'm going to be heading over to that. Here, as you can see, I have Roshade set up. Double click on that and now it is saying that Roblox must be closed before installing, so let's just close that. Okay, now let's just click on our setup again, click on install, and here, as you can see, we have all of our settings for the shader. So as you can see, it is saying that to simply toggle, you can press F8 and F7. So that's a very simple process on how you can download and install Roshade for yourself, and you can even choose a template and stuff like that. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe and like the video, and thank you so much for watching, and see you around the next video.